Alright guys, YZ250 countershaft nut. I'm going to remove it. First thing we need to do is the washer here with the tabs. Take a flathead and just kind of put the flathead on it, tap it with the hammer, and straighten it out so the nut can spin off. I've already done that. You can see here. And then I'm going to take, this is I can't remember the metric size, but in these large sockets I only had standards. This is a 1 1/4, and it fits on there really snug. So I'm going to take it in my air impact and zip it off. Doesn't take, you don't have to have a crazy air compressor or any crazy impact. This is just a standard IR 1/2 inch impact, and I'm using this little tiny Harbor Freight hose, so it can't even hold that much pressure. See if it zips off. And there we go. Just remember, when you go to put it back on, that the indented side goes in, the flat side goes out. Then we just pull the little washer off. And now I'm gonna pop the master link out of the chain, probably, to get all that out of the way. In neutral. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to pull that off there with, yeah, we are. Okay. All right, that'll be enough for now, probably. It's easier if you take the chain off, but I'm not changing the sprocket or the chain. I'm just taking the motor off, so I'm not worried about that. I can just pop that back on when I'm done. I'm gonna leave that off, and yeah, that's the easiest way to get the countershaft sprocket off a YZ250 or any other dirt bike.